Alright, we're going to do something a little bit different. This is my first attempt at blindfolded knife sharpening. I don't know how it's going to go, but we're going to try it. I guess I better figure out the knife I'm going to use. We're going to do Civivi Vision. Just to show you, it's already sharp. I'm going to dull it blindfolded, and I'm going to sharpen it. Relatively straight. I have my dulling cup right here. Yes, I have a dulling cup. Stone 325 grit, and I got some strops here. I'm only going to use the one stone, and if I have to, just the one strop, but we'll see how this goes. I gotta make sure I got this here. I know where I'm at. Got my knife in front of me. Cup. You can see my face. We'll see how this goes. Here we go. Alright, I guess you're just gonna have to trust me that I can't see, because I can't really prove that. Alright, stone, knife, cup. I'm just gonna take the edge here and draw. Now it's dull, should be. Found my paper. Yeah, now I can't cut, see? Alright. Alright. That's pretty cool. I'm just going to reference this here, see where I'm at. Alright, here we go. So I'm using my index finger to touch the side of the stone here to know where the edge of the knife is right here, so I can index it. And we're almost apexed already on this side. Alright, we're apex on that side. We're going to switch sides. I gotta find my point. Same thing, I'm using my finger to know where I'm at to find the edge of this on the side of the stone here. And I'm almost all apexed here. This is just to demonstrate that if you lock in your angles with your wrist and don't move, you don't even have to look. Alright, we're apexed. Now I'm going to remove the burr. I'm going to do a couple of passes backwards, trailing passes. And I'm going to do some light passes here. I'm just feeling for the burr. This is see how I'm moving it back and forth. And we are getting close here. To having that burr gone. Feeling pretty good. I'm just referencing laying the knife flat first, and then just finding my edge from muscle memory. That's pretty good here. The burr is almost gone. Not as hard as people think it is. Just takes a little bit of practice. I think the burr is all gone. Alright, now what we're going to do, set that there. I'm going to set that there. Find my strop. My knife. I'm going to strop this thing. This one's a little more difficult here. right, that feels pretty good. I'm gonna take the blindfold off. Woo! Let's do a piece of paper first. That's pretty good. Let's see if I can cut some paper towel here. I don't know what just happened, but oh, so it might be a little bit of a bird. Not cutting the paper towel is good, but let's just try to hold it here. Oh yeah, there we go. Well, there you go. Blindfolded knife sharpening. That's a wrap.